Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and I have a box of sorts to share with you today. This is a box that is a subscription box put out by Rachel Hoffman from her virtual doll convention website. This one is for Ellowyne Wilde. She also has box subscriptions now for Grace dolls and also her Anne dolls. I did not imbibe in the monthly subscription. I looked out, and this particular box she had extras of, and I think as I film this there might still be some there. I can't guarantee that they will if you pop over there, but it's worth checking out in her what she calls, she has like an Ellowyne boutique, Ellowyne and Neema actually, and I'm thinking this is going to go on one of my Neema dolls. I have a doll in mind for this super cute outfit, but she had about, I want to say she maybe had like 100 extra boxes made this time for this particular month. And so I went ahead and did it. I don't know. I almost had myself talked into going ahead and buying the subscription because I buy clothes from her for my Ellowyne and Neema dolls all the time. But I don't know. I talked myself out of it. So here we go. Oh, and I'm still kind of sick, so if my voice sounds weird, I apologize in advance. I'm still getting over COVID. All right, so she has this really cool little brochure. Look at that. So you had a choice between, well, actually you didn't have a choice. She has two outfits, and when you get the subscription, you were going to get a surprise, either this one or this one. I really like them both, so I'm okay with that. But yeah, and I believe it comes, if I'm right, well, and we can check here, the hat, the scarf, the top, and the skirt, and I bought extra shoes. It did not come with shoes, and even though I do have, like, in fact, I have these exact shoes I could have used, but she had some really cute shoes. All right, so I'll read this at my leisure later. So this box was Paris inspired. Very cool. So she has some little cutouts here that you can put together. Neato. She always has neat little digital cutouts and things like that go in her boxes. Here are the shoes that I ordered that I think are gonna. I like them because they have a pattern to them, but at the same time they have a neutral look. So I think they're gonna go with a lot of stuff. And I think they're sort of like Gucci inspired, if I'm correct here. But look at those. Those look so cool. And I think they're going to be fairly easy to get on. You know, I think I can just slip them on. So cool beans. Those shoes I ordered. Here's a cute little, I love this how she has VDC on here. That's so clever. Cute little purse. And then, oh, she gave me some extra shoes. Oh, thank you. Oh, how nice. Yay. Is this really? Free gift. Oh my gosh. You know, did I not order these? You know what? I think I might have ordered these. Okay, so guys, I bought another doll from her. Okay. I bought another doll that's coming. She actually just shipped out, and she actually, right now, if you're interested, she has two Neema dolls. One of them is rooted, and one of them has a wig, and then she also has an Ellowyne doll. And I think I bought these shoes. They look super familiar, but I'm pretty sure I bought these shoes when I bought my latest doll from her. That's funny. Not that I can't always use, I mean, you can never have too many shoes. I'm just saying, okay? And I really, really like these. That's going to be hilarious if they're the same ones that I bought. That's going to crack me up. All right, so here. I love how she just packages everything thoughtfully, and it just makes the whole experience really nice. I mean, look at that. She's got virtual doll convention tissue paper. Yeah, she's my idol. Someday, Blythe retreats. I learned from her. Okay, so here we have, I just love this. Oh, this is super cute. Christopher's flying. She's taking photographs. Really nice. She has a lot of nice, oh, really? There's a little paint set? Oh, I didn't know that. So it has a little paint set. How cute is this? Okay, all right, so we have a paint set. Oh, okay, I knew there was an easel. So, oh wow. I love to paint. I am not good at it, but I really like to paint. If I had all the time in the world and funds and space and everything, I would be painting a lot. But I just, and I'm, like I said, I'm not good at it, but I sure do enjoy painting. I've painted on and off for years, and I really like it. All right, so what is this? Paris. I can't read that because my eyes are not good. Maybe it's candy or something? Okay, well, I'll have to... Sure. I think it's extra fine sugar. Sucra. That's sugar. Okay. Alrighty. And... Oh, so if I make some coffee. So this is coffee. And you put that sugar in there. How cute. Okay, that's pretty fun. And then what do we have? Little Cafe Richard. These like little cookies maybe? So, oh, that's nice. So she has the coffee, so you can make coffee, sugar, and have some little cookies. All right. I break for dolls. She's got some great swag. You gotta admit. She's always got good swag in the boxes. Or anything I order. Even if you don't have the box from her, she includes all kinds of cool swag. So that's super cute. I should somehow, you know what, I should put this on my rear view mirror. That would be fun. Got a cool sticker. Addicted to Paris. And this is cool. This looks like a little, almost like a stamp or something. Neato. All right, and then of course the clothes are down here. Oh, we have a little flower. That must be a little sticky thing. And then a little paper doll. I save all these. I have like a box of ephemera and stuff that I keep these all in. And here's another sticker down here. This is a sticker, yep. How pretty. And then here are the goods, folks. Here are the goods. Oh, we have another flowers. Ooh la la. All right, so let's open it and see what we have. And here, I think I'm going to do the Neema that I have with the braids. I just think she will look really cute in this. That hat, I think is going to look really cute with her hair kind of, sticking out a little bit. All right, so we have this beret. All right, so I got the sort of earth-toned, not the red-toned. I got the earth-toned one. Like I said, I was fine with either one. I like them both. So, a little fuzzy fuzz on there. Look at this little cute. I mean, seriously, it's lined. Look at that. How nicely made is that? That's going to look so cute on her. And then this. Oh, okay. So this is the scarf. All right. Whoops. I was wondering how this was constructed. Very clever. So they have basically, this is the scarf part, but they have it snapped. So that's going to be super easy to get on her. Oh, I like that construction. I'll have to borrow that. That's a great idea. Ha, I like it. And then we have the top. This is nice. It's not as thick as I was thinking it was going to be, which is actually kind of good. This is very wintry, and because I'm, my aesthetic, guys. I'm more of like a beachy chick, and it's, always like very hot in Florida. So, it's just something I don't usually gravitate towards, but if it's winter stuff, but I like this. It's not super heavy, and it's a nice neutral piece that'll go with all kinds of other things that I have already for the dolls. And then we have this really nice skirt. It's trimmed really, okay, nicely. See, look how nicely made this is. She even has her little hang tag inside. I mean, they worked like months and months in advance to get out these boxes, and they design every piece in there. Like I said, you can really see the thought process that's been going on. So yeah, this is also lighter than I anticipated. So again, I kind of like that. Really nice. All right, so let me, off camera, I will get the doll dressed up and come back, and you can see what it looks like on her. As I suspected, she looks so nice in this. I mean, yeah, This is the doll. The other Neema doll I thought about using. She actually has really nice hair too, but I don't know what it is about these little braids. I mean, I guess because it's pulled back, so you really get a good look at her face. Maybe that's what it is. She just, for whatever reason, this particular Neema, I tend to pick her up a lot and do stuff with her. And here she is in the outfit. She looks magnifique, I should say, I guess, right? Because we're supposed to be in Paris. Here's all the goodies. So this is an Ellowyne. She is a basic Ellowyne. She was the first one I bought from Rachel, and I ended up changing out her wig recently and putting this one on. Rachel actually has a lot of wigs right now. If you're thinking about getting some wigs, now's a good time. She got a big shipment in. And this is a dress that's actually a dress that was for Grace that Rachel was sweet enough to send me, and it looks really good on my Ellowyne. So I thought with the black hair and this, I would pop these little black shoes on. One of the reasons why I liked the mules was because I thought they might be easy to put on, and they are. Pop those puppies right on, okay? And she's got her little purse, and she's also wearing the shoes. And I really like these shoes. I like how there's a pattern on the shoes and a pattern on the skirt, but to me that still looks like it goes well together, because I like it when patterns are mixed, but I don't always do it successfully. But yeah, so now both the dolls are hanging out with some new clothes. And I am actually rearranging my doll shelves. I started doing that before I got sick. I'm on week 3 of this thing, and I've had 0 energy. So, so I haven't finished it yet, but they have a spot that waiting for them. I think I'm going to put them together with a few American Girl dolls I have. I think they will look kind of cute together. But we shall see. All right, I had to break for a coughing fit. But love these dolls. And yes, I did check, by the way. I don't know if this is still going to be the case when I publish this, but as of filming, this outfit is actually still available, and she's actually broken it up now. So if you buy the box, you can either pick the red or this more earth toned color. And so you get kind of a choice there between the two. So if you weren't sure about, I don't mind being surprised because I like the outfit. Oh, and this is a purse I already bought from her a while ago, and I thought it looked really good, especially since, she's in Paris. She's getting ready to go paint, and she's maybe traveling around, the two of them, going, maybe they're going to go shopping or something, go eat a croissant and have some coffee. But anyway, enough rambling. Thank you guys so much for spending a little dolly time with me. My brain is still not completely back to normal, but it's nice to come in here and have a little bit of downtime when I'm recuperating. As usual, please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.